The Word of God is lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Bakit ginamit yung word lamp? Ano ba ang sakop ng naiilawan ng lamp? Next step lang. Not like the entire way. Kaya pag may sinabi sa iyo ng Lord, it is just a lamp unto you. Dahil maliwanag yan, diyan ko lumakad. Pero as you go further, naiilawan. That's how the Word of God speaks to us. Sometimes it is so unclear and sometimes it is difficult. It is because he wanted the whole picture. Unto Isaac, he was able to follow his father's instruction. Abraham took the wood and placed it unto Isaac to carry. That's all he knew at that moment. I just don't know what kind of faith does Isaac has. Hindi ganun kadali. Abraham's story, talagang it showcased the depth of his faith. That requires to follow God even though it is unclear, uncertain, and it is difficult, but it also highlights God's sovereignty and His ability to provide, even in the most challenging situation.